Everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Research Hour. This is me, Aisha Ghaffar. Today I am again going to share an excellent scholarship opportunity with you guys. So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet, I must say pause this video right over here and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. I am saying just because I will share each and every day I will share different scholarship opportunities with you guys in different countries like China, Australia, and Italy and all other countries. So that's why I'm saying that if you have hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update from my channel, and I think it might be helpful for you guys if you are looking for scholarship opportunities, so my videos will be helpful for you guys in future, inshallah. Okay, so let's get started this video. Okay, so many of you guys have been asking me in the comments below that please let us know about the undergraduate scholarships also, because mostly I talk about the post graduation scholarship, because most of the time many universities offer the post graduation scholarship instead of undergraduate scholarship. So there are few undergraduate scholarships also, so today I will discuss undergraduate scholarships also. So if you are looking for undergraduate scholarships, so this video is for you guys. Um, don't forget to apply over there, and I will share each and every detail with you guys. So if you live in Pakistan, so you can apply. I don't think so this offer is valid for any other nationalities students, or in any other nationality people. So but this offer is valid for Pakistani people, Pakistani student, because this is offering because this scholarship is offered by Higher Education Commission, which is in Pakistan. Okay, so let's get started. Today I am going to talk about Chinese Government Scholarship Program 2025 to 2026. I have already made a video about CSA scholarship. If you haven't watched this video, you guys can check the video in the playlist. I have made a playlist over here. So in that playlist, I particularly focus on CSE scholarship, which is offered by Chinese government. And um, so there is not a particular thing that only Pakistani students or Pakistani people can apply to CSE scholarship. If you are living in another country, so you can apply over here, but this scholarship is not for then undergraduate studies. Okay, so if you are Pakistani, so you can apply through HEC website, so you can apply for as an you can apply for undergraduate scholarships also. So I will share in each and every detail. um, so, okay, before going deep into the intricacies of this video, I will let you guys know one thing, that if you are not a Pakistani national, so you can apply directly through their CSE scholarship portal, and which through their okay, so through their CSE scholarship portal, which is open for all the students, for all the nationalities. And if you are living in Pakistan, if you are a Pakistani national student, then you can apply from here, like from HEC website. Okay, so this is the edge for you guys. The deadline is the 9th December 2024. Before this date, you must apply for this particular scholarship, and only those applicants are considered under Chinese government scholarship program who already obtained a valid HET test. So this is a mandatory HET test. There is a test which is HET, which is mandatory to apply for this scholarship. If you haven't done with your HET test, I suggest you guys, you must take the HET test before applying, because you need, I think, 60% score of HET test before applying. Okay, so they consider those students who will have good HET score. Okay, so applicants must submit a valid score on HEC portal during application submission for consideration. Then after taking your hat test, or after getting the score, you just submit online application on CSE portal, and which is the agency number. And you must remember the agency number because you are a Pakistani national, so you are applying through HEC website, so you must consider this agency number. Okay. Then with a view to enhance educational cooperation between China, why this why this scholarship is offering for Pakistani student, and why is this like why is the edge to apply for this scholarship? So this is a this is a paragraph which shows that what is the benefit to apply for this scholarship. Okay, so like they just want to enhance the educational cooperation between China and Pakistan. So CSE scholarship is offering by the Chinese government to Pakistani students. Okay, on behalf of the government of Pakistan, HEC is nominating agency for this scholarship in the academic year. So this that's why I was saying that you must remember the agency name, because this agency name is only for Pakistani students. Okay, so there are a lot of other students who are applying to CSE scholarship and they also get the scholarships. uh, so that's the way. Okay, so now we'll talk about what programs they are offering. And so Chinese government scholarship program sponsor international student, teacher and scholars to undertake degree studies like undergraduate and master's and PhD, including preparatory Chinese language studies for 1 year in some degree programs. So this is the mandatory thing. Then sporting categories and major study including in Chinese language. So they have given this table which shows that which major studies including the years and which Chinese language you have to learn during your study. Okay, then we will discuss the eligibility criteria. So what is the eligibility criteria? So this eligibility criteria is a little bit different from that eligibility criteria which I have already told you in my previous video for CSE scholarship. So if you are not applying from through HEC portal, then this eligibility criteria is different. Okay, so if you are applying through HEC portal, so you must follow the eligibility criteria, like you must follow this eligibility criteria. So what is this eligibility criteria? You must be Pakistani national. Okay, so dual nationality holders are not eligible to apply. You must be in a good health. Applicants must applicants with incomplete degrees or in closing date are not allowed to apply. And also I will let you know that if you haven't done with your hat test, so you are not eligible to apply. Only applicants those who have have had score 60% or above marks, they are eligible to apply. So applicants for undergraduate, so this is the very important point, you must listen very carefully, that applicants for undergraduate bachelor program must have intermediate of education and 12 years of education and be under the age of 25. Okay, so after getting your second year results, you are eligible to apply. So if you are waiting for your second year's results, you are not eligible to apply. Applicants for master program must be have a bachelor degree and then at the age of 35 at the time of application. So applicants for doctor PhD program must have a master's or MS degree under the age of 40. Meet the application requirement prescribed on China scholarship and website and portal. So there is not a hard and fast rule to apply to meet the requirement. So there is only one requirement, you just have to give the hat test, meet the admission requirements. So admission requirements are different if you are applying for different universities. After applying to CSE scholarship, you have to apply for different universities. So I will not give you a huge detail of in this video about different universities. I have already made 2 to 3 videos for USTB, USTC, one university and all other universities. So you guys can check the playlist in my channel. You will be informed through this video. I have already made a explainable video about the requirements and about the eligibility criteria of different universities in China. So you guys can check over here. Applicants may not be received in any receipt of any other scholarship or currently. If you are getting any other scholarship, you are not eligible to apply over here. Okay, so all applicants are must provide hat test. I have already told you about this, and this is the score in without providing minimum hat or you sat test score like 50 out of 100, applicant will not be considered for further process. The test validity of HAT is for 2 years, and USAT is for 1 year. For the scholarship, applicant must have already obtained a HAT test like to December 2022 or December 2023. They are they are eligible to apply if they already have the HAT score. Then, what is the financial coverage? What is the stipend they will give you, or what are the other financial coverage the scholarship will cover? So there is no there is no detail over given over here. I will um, I will share okay, I will share some of the details over here for post graduation like CSE scholarship. If you get the CSE scholarship, the for post graduation you will get 3000 Chinese yuan if you are enrolled in MS, and if you are enrolled in PhD, then you will get 3500 Chinese yuan. Your accommodation will be free, your dormitory will be free, your medication like medical insurance will be free, your air ticket will be free. Okay, so this is the financial coverage the scholarship is covering. Okay, then this is the main thing, how to apply. So I will share the link in the description of this video. You guys can check over here. You just click on that particular link, you will land it to the particular CSC scholarship page. You just have to create your account and apply over here, fill the form, and give the necessary details what they are obtaining and what they want what they want from you. Just fill the application form and just fill your basic information, your educational information, and then just upload the documents, required documents, and just submit the application. You will be informed by the email if you get either you get the scholarship or not after the deadline. Okay, so this is the scholarship. You have to click over here. I will I'm again telling you guys that I will put the link in the description of this video. Like if you are applying through HEC, then apply through this portal. Okay, don't apply through the CSE don't apply through the CSE official portal. Okay, I will let you guys know that this is the China Scholarship Council. So don't apply from this page. Okay, you make sure to apply from this page, HEC scholarship portal. Okay, so after applying, after making the account or creating the account, you just have to uh, okay, submit the online application CSC web portal. So this is the CSC web portal through each program type. Agency number is this. Download submitted copy of complete application form which you have applied, and then um, uh, they have told this is written over here that download submitted copy of complete application form from Chinese Scholarship Council portal. Print and retain a signed copy with yourself for just security purpose. Okay, for additional instructions about Chinese government program, you will these are the additional instructions given over here. This is the additional instruction, and then you guys can just just visit this page and read. Then after submission of online application portal are HEC and CSE portal are mandatory. So both portals are mandatory. CSE, this is the CSE portal. So this is the basic CSE portal. You have to create an account over here, and you have to create an account over here. Okay, so must remember that you just create the accounts on both create accounts on both websites. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. I hope this video will be good for you. This will be a video this video will be beneficial for you. I hope you will get the admission, you will get the scholarship, and good luck for your future. Best of luck for your with your application. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz.